Well, here's Precious Piper taking a nice bath while she's sitting on my lap. Look at this. She's cleaning her ears. Yeah, she washes behind her ears. See, she's very meticulous. You don't have to tell her about it. She just takes care of it naturally. Look at that. Nice and clean. Yeah. Nobody can one up you on the clean ears, can they? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That must feel good to make your ears that clean. Yeah, now she's cleaning off her little paw. Oh, there we go again. She's getting the top of her head too while she's at it. See that? Very nice. That's why she looks so silky and pretty all the time. Yeah, here she goes on her legs. Yeah, I gotta make sure that she has that done right. And the front of her. Yes, look at that. She makes sure that there's no food there or anything. Always looking so clean and pretty. Yeah, she's a really good cleaner. Here she goes again. Now she's working towards the other leg. See this? Look at that. Oh my goodness. What a good, thorough job you're doing. Oh my. She's just inspirational. That's all there is to it. It makes you feel like going and taking a bath or a shower when you see how clean she is. Yeah, look at that. She makes her fur so pretty. Yes, she do.